Feeling stuck or overwhelmed, like life is just passing you by? Well, to not waste any time, let's get into it. Step 1. Fix your body. You don't need a fancy gym. Bodyweight exercises like walking and stretching go a long way. Strength builds confidence, and don't forget, fuel your body with real food. Cut the junk, drink water, and prioritize sleep. A well-rested body is a high-performing body. Step 2. Learn better. The key? Active learning. Don't just read. Take notes, teach what you learn, and test yourself. Also, you gotta limit distractions. Use the Pomodoro technique and never stop being curious. Your brain is a muscle, so train it. And remember, consistency beats cramming. Small efforts every day lead to big results. Step 3. Personal hygiene. Look good, feel good. Shower daily, wear clean clothes, clip your nails, floss. Yes, floss. Take care of yourself like someone who respects themselves. How you present yourself changes how the world sees you. Step 4. Mental health. Reduce social media, surround yourself with positive people, and practice gratitude. You can pray, journal, and you can get outside. And don't be afraid to seek help when you need it. Your mind deserves as much care as your body. Mental strength is just as important as physical strength. And step 5. Take action. Nothing changes if nothing changes. Plan your days, set small goals, and track your progress. Discipline always beats motivation. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can do. It all starts with small changes. One step, one habit at a time. You got this, and now go fix your life. Peace.